Hello and welcome again to Trimex Video Tech Tips. Today we're going to look at some tips and tricks to help you speed up your dimensioning process. Dimensioning a sketch in SOLIDWORKS is one of the most common and repeated operations when designing your part. Therefore, employing different shortcuts will help you save time and streamline your design process. As you can see in the SOLIDWORKS window, we have a very simple sketch that we want to start dimensioning. I am currently working in millimeters. But what if I need this circle to measure 1 inch? No, I don't need to take out my calculator and start multiplying or dividing the dimensions. With SOLIDWORKS, I just need to write the dimensions that I need, and SOLIDWORKS will transform the units for us. Another good tip is to stop using so many dimensions. For example, this second circle needs to have the same dimensions as the first circle. However, instead of adding an additional dimension, I just need to create an equal relation between both circles. You might ask, how does this benefit me? And the answer is very simple. Imagine that in the future, I want to modify both of these circles. Instead of replacing them one by one, I just need to modify the first dimension and the second one will follow. Finally, let me show you a way to finish dimensioning this whole sketch in less than a second. To do this, we right-click anywhere on the screen and left-click on the Fully Defined Sketch option. We accept Fully Defined Sketch, and as you can see, SOLIDWORKS has added all the relations and all the dimensions needed to fully define the sketch. Now I can simply modify any dimension that I need. And with that, my sketch is complete. Use these tips to dimension your sketches more efficiently. And be aware of future tech tips to discover more of SOLIDWORKS capabilities and how to speed up your design process.